To begin your fringe, you'll start by cutting 10-inch lengths of yarn. And the easiest way to attach fringe is using a crochet hook. So you insert your hook through your work from back to front and pick up a group of 4 strands that have been folded in half. You'll pull through a loop about 2 inches long and drop the loop from your hook and bring the tail of the strands through the loop and pull it tight. And so to complete all of your fringe, you'll simply repeat this same process along each end of the scarf. So inserting the crochet hook from back to front, pulling through a loop, and then drawing the tails of your fringe through that loop. So here I'm placing each segment of fringe spaced about 1 inch apart along the bottom of my scarf. Once you've completed the fringe along the entire edge of the scarf, you'll want to go ahead and trim your ends neatly to a uniform length.